Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So guys, day off ako ngayon. So gagala na naman ako. So guys, just sit back and enjoy the view while we are on our way to the amazing place. Kung nakikita nyo naman yan guys, super lawak. So it is a part pa rin guys ng Neom. So I've been talking about the drive itself is already a beautiful journey as we pass by this stunning landscape. Kita nyo naman yan guys, di ba? You can't help me but feel so small compared to the vastness of nature. Diba? Grabe. Nakikita nyo yun, guys. Napaka-wide niya talaga, no? The Rocky Mountains from a distance look so powerful and mysterious. And I can't wait to get closer. Gusto ko talaga, guys, pumunta dyan. Sabi ko, ano kayang meron dyan pag malapit ako? I'm holding my camera, trying to capture every angle I can. While the car is moving, ang likot kasi guys, hindi ako makakuha ng maraming picture. Diyos ko, ang hirap kumuha kasi alam mo naman, nagda-drive ka tapos nagaganyan-ganyan ka pa. O, diba? So, I'm just taking videos of places like this. It's like I want to remember every detail, every corner of the incredible scenery. Grabe guys, no? Alam mo sige lang ako guys, kakapicture niyan kahit padaan-daan na ako dito. The clear sky, the way the sunlight hits the rock, and even the little patches of greenery is scattered around. Everything just feel so raw and pure. Diyos ko, nakaka-amaze siya. Alam mo, minsan sabi ko, ang lapad-lapad talaga ng place na to. Grabe. Talagang napakalawak ng dinidevelop na to, guys. Yung Neom City na to. The road isn't exactly smooth, especially since my car isn't a 4x4. But you know what? That part of the trail, the slight bumps and raw paths make the adventure feel more real. Alam mo guys, ang mga ano dito, mga humps, wala man lang guys ng, alam mo yun, yung mga, ano bang ibig sabihin, parang malaman mo siya na, ano na, humps na siya, dahan-dahan ka na. Wala talaga dito guys, tatalon dyan ang sasakyan mo. Ganyan talaga as we get closer, I feel the excitement building up. My eyes and, kung saan-saan nakatingin sa labas, searching for, something unusual or fascinating. Grabe. Tingnan mo naman yan guys, oh. 'Di ba sobrang ganda niya? Finally, I found a spot where I can stop here car, 'di ba? Of course, the first thing that I do is grab my camera and jump out, ready to capture everything when I look around. I noticed those, giant rock formation again. Even more impressive now that I'm seeing them up closer. My God, up close. My God, see guys, but there's also the tiny bit of pier. The rocks are so tall and steep, like sabi ko baka mamaya may aasan and I can't, shake off the feeling that, something could be hiding up there. Maybe it's just like my imagination, but I still say tabi, tabi, tabi. Alam mo yung guys, ang pamahinom, tabi, tabi, makikipicture lang as a way of showing respect and asking permission for whatever spirits of being might be present. Alam mo yun, yung parang tabi-tabi, makikipicture lang, parang feeling ko andyan na. It's better to be respectful than, regretful. Right? Tama ba? Diba? Tingnan nyo yan guys, may nakasulat dyan. I kept looking around, noticing that caves are large holes in the rock walls. My God. This seems to be calling me, inviting me to come closer and explore. I feel so drawn to them, but at the same time, I feel a chill, like there's sense and mysterious about this place. Alam mo guys, nakaka-miss talaga siya. Even if I feel a little scared, my curiosity always wins. I want to see what's inside to find out the secrets these rocks and the caves are holding. May mga butas-butas yan siya guys dyan. Parang kung hindi nga lang ako natatakot, gusto ko dyan pumasok. But for now, I'll make the most out of this quick adventure. Alam mo yung guys, nakakaano no? Nature really has a way of humbling you. No matter how many places I've been to, places like this always leave me in speechless talaga. Sabi nila guys, ayan guys oh. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, may nakasulat. Sabi nila guys, marami dito nagsasabi na during Moses daw, dito sila naglalakad. Malapit na kasi kami guys sa sa Mount Sinai. Alam mo yung Ten Commandments? Lapit na. So, gustong-gusto ko rin yung marating. So, tingnan nyo man guys. Look at that guys. Alam mo guys, yung may hiwa na yan. Ang ano yan guys ha. Nakakakilapot. Tapos, pag alam mo yung guys, pag nagsasalita ka dyan, parang andyan lang sila. Parang feeling mo andyan na. Andyan na. Parang ganun. Kasi ang lalaki talaga guys ng bato na yan. You know, that feeling when something suddenly makes you nervous. My God, and you can, parang literally feel you here standing on end. Alam mo yung parang ang balay mo, tatayo yung mga, yung sa mo, parang tatayo yung mga balahibo mo. Something like that. That's exactly what happened to me at the moment. The place felt so mysterious and a bit creepy. Alam mo yung parang basta guys, pag nakarating kayo dito, pag nakita mo tong mga bato na tong matataas, sometimes maaamis ka. But of course, my curiosity always wins. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Parang ganun palagi. Mag-iisip ka talaga anong mayroong nito sa tataas ng mga bundok na to. At guys, isa lang to sa mga ganito. Ang lapad-lapad nito guys. Napakalawak. Tingnan mo guys, so kung inaano ko siya, kung zino-zoom ko. 'Di ba parang makikita mo talaga yung ano yung beauty nila. Alam mo guys, sabi nga nila ito daw nga noon, sabi nagsasabi naman guys kasi mahilig akong magtanong. Sabi niya before dagat daw to. Imagine dagat daw, tapos syempre na empty daw yung dagat kasi parang isipin mo daw bakit may mga ganitong kalalaking bato. So ganun ang sinasabi niya. So after that guys, ito na nga. So, naisipan naman namin guys na pumunta naman sa ibang lugar. Pero niyong pa rin. So, ito naman guys, ang makikita mo, puro naman siya alam mo yung puro naman siya mountain. Mga ganito na talagang as in empty. So, from that guys, sa pinagkuhanan ko ng mga video, mula naman doon, papunta naman dito sa pupuntahan namin, 2 hours na naman yan siya guys, bago marating namin doon. Sabi ko sa kasama ko, let's go naman kasi nagugutom na ako kasi, di ba Ramadan, so fasting din naman ako. So wala pa akong food talaga, whole day. Tapos ayun, magbabiyahe na naman kami papunta doon. So ito guys, naman to, Niyom din to. So papunta to guys ng Sharma. So, yung sa Sharma naman guys, doon located ang pinakamalaking hospital ng Neom City. So, that place, you will find a supermarket and KFC, and one of the famous fast food here in Saudi Arabia, Al-Baik, Bros, something like that. Meron din doon ng Pizza Hut, so something like that. But, there are some hotels as well and resort, pero mostly under construction pa talaga siya. Parang ganon. So, I don't think so guys na mabilisan na matapos kagad. Of course, it will, matagal din. Matagal din talaga. Pero may mga hotel na at saka may mga resort na rin doon na open. Nakikita you guys yan, zino-zoom ko. Parang meron siya ng something tower doon sa taas. Yan. Siguro, as far as I know, maybe that one of the security na mga nagtitingin dito kasi, syempre guys, 'di ba, sa ganitong lugar talaga, so kailangan ang dito, ang security din naman is maganda, as in, kahit guys sa namin, sa loob ng camp namin, mataas guys ang security. Parang hindi ka ganun kadali pumunta na wala kang mga access, something like that. So guys, alam nyo, this road again, heading towards to Sharma, sabi ko nga, where the hospital, where the Neom Hospital is located. Oo nga, doon yun. And I just, to share is amazing drive with you all. The road itself is so, maganda rin talaga kung nakikita nyo yan, with beautiful mountains surrounding me in both sides. Nakita nyo naman yan guys, left and right. It's like nature's, like masterpiece, stretching endlessly across the horizon. Grabe guys, no? As I drive, I can't help but like Malikot guys ang camera ko. Pasensya na kayo kasi, zino-zoom ko kasi parang naa-miss nga